Hi, my name's Linda Reed-Enever. I'm a Thinkific approved expert. I lead our impact team here at Enever Group, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our course creation service. Our course creation area of creating impact is all about helping you impact through the knowledge and expertise you have through courses. We help you create and design courses through our course creation coaching programs. We have our Course Creator Circle Hub, which you can dive into, which has our formulas for creating courses. We have our Course Creator Circle podcast, which you can also tap into and listen along the way. If you want an ad hoc conversation with me about course creation, we've also got our brainstorming sessions. There are 30 or 60-minute slots, and you can delve into the world of talking all things course creation with me, from how do I make this lesson work right through to how do I market it. It is all available there for you. Our course creation services are all about making sure that you create impact with the knowledge that you have. If you're not sure where to start, book a discovery call with me and let's get started in finding out what is the right formula for creating courses for you and your business.